Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss a new concept, relation between the roots and the coefficients of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So first consider alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here we want to find out relationship between these terms, means alpha, beta, and the coefficients of the quadratic equation means coefficients are here a, b and c. Here we want to find out relationship between alpha, beta, a, b and c. So first consider quadratic equation. So in general it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now divide whole equation by a. So here we get ax square divided by a is x square plus bx by a plus c by a is equal to 0. So call this equation as 1. So now here we consider alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. Then equation will be, it is in the form of x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to 0. So simplifier, multiply these two terms. So x into x, x square minus x into beta, x beta minus alpha into x, alpha x minus into minus plus alpha into beta, alpha beta is equal to 0. So x square, so in these two terms take out minus x as the common term. So minus x is common, remain terms here beta, here alpha, beta plus alpha, here plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. So if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, then equation will be x square minus of beta plus alpha or alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So consider this equation, x square minus of beta plus alpha, this can be written as alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Call this equation as 2. Now compare these two equations. Here we get, observe x square, in place of alpha plus beta we have b by a, x, in place of alpha plus beta we have plus b by a, alpha into beta, in place of alpha beta we have c by a. So we get here minus of alpha plus beta, minus of alpha plus beta is equal to b by a, is equal to b by a. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus of alpha plus beta is equal to b by a. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, or multiply by negative sign. Okay. Next, alpha into beta means in place of alpha beta we have c by a. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. So alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, means therefore sum of the roots, is equal to minus b by a. Alpha into beta means product of the roots. Product of the roots is equal to c by a. So this is the relationship between roots of the quadratic equation and the coefficients of the quadratic equation. So using these two terms, here we are in this, so today we are going to solve some problems. Okay, so consider first problem. First problem is, if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square plus 3x plus 7 is equal to 0, find the values of, so first one alpha plus beta, so second one alpha into beta, third one 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Fourth one, alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. Okay, so solution. So we know that, so first consider this equation. So by comparing with the general equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, here we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 7. Okay. Now alpha plus beta, we know that alpha plus beta means minus b by a. So substitute here values of a and b minus b. B means 3 divided by a means 2. So therefore alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3 by 2. Next, alpha into beta means c by a. So substitute here c means 7 divided by a means 2. Therefore c by a is equal to 7 by 2. Okay. Next, 1 plus alpha plus 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So first add these two terms. So find the LCM for the denominators. LCM for alpha and beta is alpha into beta. Next, multiply each term by LCM. Multiply this term by alpha into beta. So alpha get cancelled, remaining term is beta. Beta into 1, beta. Next, multiply this term by alpha into beta. Beta get cancelled, remaining term here alpha into 1, alpha. Now substitute the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So alpha plus beta means minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 divided by alpha into beta means 7 by 2. Okay. Now simplify, minus 3 by 2. Take this term into numerator, 7 by 2 it becomes 2 by 7. So 2 get cancels. So this is equal to minus 3 divided by 7. Minus 3 by 7. Therefore 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to minus 3 by 7. Next, fourth one. So observing these two terms, here observe alpha square alpha. So therefore alpha is common, beta square. So beta is common. So therefore in these two terms take out alpha into beta as the common term. So remaining terms alpha square is there, therefore we are taking alpha here. Therefore remaining term is alpha, beta is common, plus here we are taking alpha as the common term, beta, remaining term here beta. Now so the values of alpha into beta and alpha plus beta. So alpha into beta means 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta means minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2. So minus 7 into 3, 21 divided by 2 into 2, 4. Therefore alpha square beta plus alpha beta square is equal to minus 21 by 4. Okay. Next, let us move on to next problem. Next question, second one. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation 3x square minus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0, then find the values of the following. So first one, alpha square plus beta square. Second sub question, alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Third one, alpha cube plus beta cube. Fourth one, alpha divided by b square plus beta divided by alpha square. Okay. So first find the values of a, b and c by comparing with the general equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here we get a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 4. Now first find the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, sum of the roots and product of the roots. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So minus b means minus 6. So minus of minus 6 plus 6 divided by a means 3. So 6 by 3 is 2. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to 2. Next, alpha into beta. So alpha into beta is C by A. So C means 4 divided by A. A means 3. Therefore, alpha into beta is equal to 4 by 3. Next, let's consider sub question. First one, alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square. Here we know the value of alpha plus beta. So here we know that alpha plus beta whole square. You know the formula? Alpha plus beta whole square is alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha into beta. So here we want alpha square plus beta square. So therefore alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square. Take this term into left side, becomes minus 2 into alpha beta is equal to alpha square plus beta square. Therefore alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha into beta. Now substitute the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Is equal to alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta means 2. So 2 square minus 2 into alpha into beta. Alpha into beta means 4 by 3. So is equal to, so 2 square. 2 square means 4 minus 2 into 4, 8, 8 by 3. Now subtract these two terms, find the LCM for the denominator. LCM is 3, 3 into 4, 12 minus 8 by 3 into 3, 3, 3 get cancelled, remain term here 8. So 12 minus 8 is 4. So 4 by 3. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to 4 by 3. Next, second sub question. Here we get alpha square plus beta square is equal to 4 by 3. Next, second sub question, alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. First simplify here. So add these two terms, find the LCM for the denominators. LCM for beta into alpha is alpha into beta. Next multiply each term by LCM. So multiply this term by alpha into beta. Beta beta get cancelled. Remaining term is alpha. Alpha into alpha, alpha square plus multiply this term by LCM. LCM is alpha into beta. Alpha alpha get cancelled. Remaining term here beta. Beta into beta, beta square. So alpha square plus beta square. So we have alpha square plus beta square is equal to 4 by 3. So substitute here 4 by 3 divided by alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 get cancelled. Therefore is equal to 1. Therefore alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is equal to 1. Second sub question, alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is equal to 1. Next, third one, alpha cube plus beta cube. Alpha cube plus beta cube. So here consider alpha plus beta whole cube formula, means a plus b whole cube formula. A plus b whole cube means a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So in place of a we have alpha, in place of b we have beta. So alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3, a means alpha, b means beta into alpha plus beta. Okay. Now we want alpha cube plus beta cube. Alpha cube plus beta cube. Therefore take out this term into left side. It becomes alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Therefore, alpha cube plus beta cube, this can be written as alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Now substitute the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So alpha plus beta means 2. So 2 cube minus 3 into alpha into beta is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 into alpha plus beta is 2. So here 2 cube is 8 minus 3 get cancelled, 4 into 2 8, therefore 8 minus 8 is 0, therefore alpha cube plus beta cube is 0. So here we get third one, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 0. Okay, next question for next sub question. Fourth one, alpha divided by beta square plus beta divided by alpha square. Okay, so first add these two terms. So find the LCM for the denominator. So LCM is here beta square into alpha square or alpha square into beta square. Next multiply this term by LCM. LCM is alpha square into beta square get cancel, remain term alpha square into alpha cube. So alpha cube plus, so multiply this term by LCM. LCM is alpha square into beta square get cancel, remain term here beta square into beta cube. Now substitute the values of alpha cube plus beta cube divided by alpha square beta square. So alpha cube plus beta cube is 0 divided by alpha square into beta square, this can be written as alpha beta whole square. So 0 divided by alpha beta means 4 by 3 whole square. So 0 divided by 4 by 3 whole square is 0. So 0 divided by anything is 0. Therefore alpha divided by beta square plus beta divided by alpha square is 0. Next, let us move on to next problem. Next question, third one. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then find the values of, so sub question, first one, 1 plus alpha into 1 plus beta. So second sub question, alpha divided by beta square plus beta divided by alpha square. Okay, so first find the values of a, b and c. So a means a here, b means b, c means c. Okay, next find the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta means minus b by a. So b means b, a means a. Therefore alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Now consider first question, sub question, 1 plus alpha into 1 plus beta. So first multiply these two terms. So first multiply 1 plus beta by 1. 1 into 1 plus beta, 1 plus beta. Next multiply this term by alpha. Alpha into 1, alpha plus alpha into beta, alpha beta. So 1 plus beta plus alpha. Beta plus alpha means minus b by a. Minus b by a plus alpha into beta. Alpha into beta means c by a. C by a. Simplify. 1 plus into minus, minus b by a plus c by a. Now simplify here. Find the LCM for the denominators. Here denominator is 1. LCM is a. a into 1 a minus b by a into a get cancelled b plus c by a into a get cancelled c. So therefore 1 plus alpha into 1 plus beta is equal to a minus b plus c is equal to a. Next, second sub question. Second one, so alpha plus beta square plus beta by alpha square. Here also first add these two terms, find the LCM for the denominator. So here LCM for b square and alpha square is alpha square into beta square. Next multiply this term by LCM. LCM is alpha square into beta square get cancelled, remain term here alpha square, alpha into alpha cube plus next multiply this term by LCM. LCM is alpha square into beta square, alpha square get cancelled, beta square into beta, so beta cube. Now first find the values of alpha cube plus beta cube, but here we know the value of only alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So we know the formula alpha plus beta cube is alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. So divided by alpha square beta square can be written as alpha beta whole square. Now substitute here alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta means minus b by a whole cube minus 3 into alpha into beta means c by a into alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta means minus b by a divided by alpha beta whole square. Alpha into beta means c by a whole square. Now simplify. So minus cube means minus b cube divided by a cube. B cube divided by a cube minus into minus plus 3c into b. 3cb divided by a into a square divided by c square divided by a square. C square divided by a square. So first simplify this term. So subtract minus b cube by a cube plus 3cb divided by a square. Find the LCM for the denominator. So LCM is a cube. Multiply this term by LCM. A cube get cancels. Remain term here minus b cube plus multiply this term by a cube. Here two terms get cancelled, remaining one term a into 3bc 3abc. So next take this term into numerator, it becomes a square by c square. Now here a square a cube, two terms get cancelled, remaining one term. So minus b cube plus 3abc whole thing divided by a into c square. So therefore alpha by beta square plus beta divided by alpha square is minus b cube plus 3abc divided by a. Next last problem. Next last question. Fourth one. 2x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. Then find the values of alpha square beta plus beta square alpha. Second sub question, alpha to the power of minus 2 plus beta to the power of minus 2. Okay, next. First find the values of a, b, c and alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So A means 2, B means 4, C means 1. Next, alpha plus beta is equal to minus B by A. So minus B means 4 divided by A means 2. So 2 2s are minus. Therefore minus 2. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2. Next, alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is C by A. So C means 1 divided by A means 2. Therefore alpha into beta is equal to 1 by 2. So next, consider first sub question. Alpha square beta plus beta square alpha. So observe, in these two terms take out alpha square alpha, therefore alpha, beta square beta, so consider beta, so therefore take out alpha into beta as the common term. Remaining terms here alpha plus here beta. So now substitute the values of alpha into beta and alpha plus beta. Alpha into beta is 1 by 2 into alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is minus 2. So 2 get cancels, minus into 1 minus 1. Therefore alpha square beta plus beta square alpha is 1. This equal to minus 1. So next, consider second sub question. Second sub question is alpha to the power of minus 2 plus beta to the power of minus 2. Take this term into denominator, or 1 r to the power of minus 2. This can be written as 1 by alpha to the power of plus 2 plus beta to the power of minus 2. This can be written as 1 by beta to the power of plus 2. So now add these two terms. So LCM is alpha square into beta square. So multiply this term by alpha square into beta square. Alpha square get cancelled. Beta square into 1 beta square plus beta 1 by beta square into alpha square into beta. Beta square get cancelled. Remaining term is alpha square. Alpha square into 1 alpha square. Here we want beta square plus alpha square, but here we know the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So here consider beta square plus alpha square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, whole thing divided by alpha square beta square can be written as alpha beta whole square. So alpha plus beta means minus 2 square, minus 2 whole square minus 2 into alpha into beta. So alpha into beta means 1 by 2 whole thing divided by alpha beta whole square. Alpha beta means 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 2 whole square. So this equal to minus 2 square is plus 4 minus 2 get cancels 1 divided by 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. 4 minus 1 3. So take this term into numerator. 1 by 4 it becomes 4 by 1. So 3 into 4 12. 12 divided by 1 means 12. Therefore alpha to the power of minus 2 plus beta to the power of minus 2 value is 12. Okay, we will continue in next class. Thank you.